Today, I'll be showing you how to change your GFCI plug. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver for this task. First, remove all 4 screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, go ahead and remove the cover. Now, you'll see 3 connections: positive, negative, and ground. We'll need to loosen these 3 screws to disconnect the wires from the plug. Remember, don't remove the screws completely. Just loosen them enough to release the wires. Next, let's remove the wire lock by unscrewing the 2 screws that hold it in place. Now, it's time to loosen the screw fasteners for the positive, negative, and ground connections. Again, don't remove the screws all the way, just enough to free the wires. Take your new GFCI plug and reconnect the wires, following the connection guide. Once the wires are connected, reattach the wire lock by screwing it back in place. Finally, place the cover back on and retighten all 4 screws. And that's it. Your new GFCI plug is now installed and secure. If you have any further questions, contact us at support@activeproducts.com.